Koala Kare is the leading provider of safe and innovative commercial childcare products and is proud to be the most recognized brand of baby changing stations. Did you know we offer 12 models of baby changing stations and over 20 child seating products? Our number one priority is the safety of your most important customers, and we offer a number of replacement parts to keep Koala products in good working order. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the strap on a KB200 horizontal baby changing station. Each horizontal strap kit contains instructions, a strap, 2 machine screws, and 1 wood screw. For this installation, you will use both machine screws, but you will not use the wood screw. The installation will require a Phillips head screwdriver. To avoid over-tightening, do not use a screw gun. To get started, open the baby changing station. Remove the screws that secure the old strap to the baby changing station. Discard the old strap and screws. Position the new strap on the bed surface with the buckle towards the liner dispenser. Ensure that the flat side of the chafe tabs are against the bed surface. Take one of the 2 machine screws provided and thread it through the hole in the chafe tab. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, secure the screw into the hole on the front of the bed. Using the second machine screw, repeat this step for the other end of the strap and secure it to the back of the bed. Discard the remaining wood screw. Ensure that the strap is buckled. Clean up tools, dispose of waste, and close the baby changing station.